In this video, we're going to show how we can copy colors from one object to another in Geomagic Freeform. So here I have a 3D scan with color, and it is currently a mesh object. So the idea here is that I will copy this over to a clay object, and let's just go ahead and type in the resolution here. And move this over to a voxel object. So now I have a voxel object, and what I'm going to do is clear the colors from this object. Get rid of the colors, come around, and let's just smooth the overall object here. So we'll just do a select all and smooth. And that'll cause some like little floating bits and things like that. So what we'll do is we'll do like a seed select one. Oh, let's just clear this out. Do a seed select, inverse, and delete any floating bits. So now let's just say I've cleaned up this object. I've gone around and I've smoothed things, and I got the geometry where I need it to be. So now if I want to copy the colors, I can then come over and say copy to a mesh. So now this is a mesh that doesn't have any colors, and I can come over to mesh utilities, copy colors from, and I can say from the 3D scan, and it will copy the colors from that original scan over to this one here. And that is how to copy colors from one object to another inside of Freeform.